welcome back to another video. And as you might be able to tell by the white walls, we are in our laundry pantry storage room. And in this video we are gonna be building a shelf for the pumpkins. I was thinking to do this video on my channel since, you know, it's kind of like harvesting and not really preserving but storing. But then we decided, since it is an addition to the storage room, we're gonna do it in our main channel. And in case you're wondering, we've been getting a lot of comments of like, where's the goats? All the other videos that we used to do, they are in my channel, which we have been forgetting to mention. We have it always linked down below, so in case you're interested, make sure to check over there. I might still be a bit behind in the videos, so I'm sorry for that, but yeah, it's worth checking it out in case you're interested in that part of our life. But yeah, let's now get started, go outside and build the shelf. Well, cut it and bring it inside.
Could you put your finger between?
Wow. Help me.
That's why it didn't fit. Go. Almost perfect. So as you can see, we are done with the framing, and we were going nicely with these 10 by 5 centimeters or 2 by 4s in American, and we switched over to these 5 by 5 centimeters because we just ran out of these. We did not want to use the nice really planed ones, so we did plane a lot of ourselves, like wood we had nice and dry, but we did run of that, and we just found this one, and it's actually more than enough. On each of them I can put my full body weight, and probably on these I could put probably 5 of David. So I think we overdid it probably quite a bit, and we could be stacking here gold bars. But yeah, that's what we had the material, and it kind of looks like it's fitting the style of the house to be oversized and big. So yeah, let's now go and cut 56 small kind of little wood here for yeah, the shelves themselves. We need 56 pieces. So that's quite a bitty. We need to plane all of that from every single side. And thanks to today's sponsor, it's Patreon. Our Patreon members and members are sponsoring our projects all the time by paying for our building materials, which is really helpful. So thanks to guys. If you want to become a member of Patreon, check the link down below. Let's go plane.
How did you even fit in there? Like you placed an order to get those little shelfy woody certificates. Perfect. Okay.
I think I can do 2 lines at a time. Opa.
Yeah.
So we have finished cutting all these small woods. They look great. I actually expect them to be much more wet, but they're really dry. I could get my moisture meter just to check how dry they are actually. But I was expecting them after rain. They sit out in the rain as well yesterday. And yeah, today sunshine dried them out fully, and it seems like it's a really dry material, which is good. And next thing is we're gonna try out a new toy. So we got a nail gun finally. So a lot of you have been recommending it, and I did want one. I just didn't expect how cheap they are. This is a very small one. Of course, it's not a big one, but we bought this specifically for the siding on the outside for attaching it. And I wouldn't say it's better than nails, the screws. The screws are way bigger, way stronger. But for a nice startup small one, it's pretty good. The big ones, of course, are pretty expensive. And yeah, but I think for this kind of small jobs, this will work pretty good. And for making furniture as well, it's gonna work pretty good.
And the little birdhouses wanted to make. Well, that's just something.
Yeah, birdhouses, boxes for storage.
Yeah.
A lot of things will be handy with the nail gun. So yeah, let me get a moisture reader so we can check the moisture content of the wood.
And then we just go like really quick over it.
So we're pretty good.
That's not that bad.
Under 20. That's a fresh cut, so the wood throughout is 17. So that's pretty good. It's not well seasoned wood, but that's more than enough for building sake. It's only gonna go down to another maybe 3-4%. So that's pretty good.
Okay, so let's lay them all out. Of course, we're not gonna do them like that. Gonna have gaps in between. Oops.
No. Yeah, that's from the barn. It's 14.
Not that big of a gaps either. Something like that. So we came up with like a very quick idea. There's probably a better one, but we are laying them all out, and then Dave's gonna nail every other one, and then we're gonna take the.
I mean, we could now nail what we have and then take them out and put them here.
Could do that as well.
I don't know. Let's try it now.
Okay, let's. You're excited.
Does it fit between? It does fit perfectly between.
Okay.
So a big one wouldn't even work here. So
you always need a little small start one.
Let's go right in the center.
Okay.
Also, how smooth it makes the finish of the wood.
Perfect.
Okay, they're really strong.
I mean, nothing is gonna force them downwards. They're only gonna go down, not upwards. What do you think?
I think it looks really nice.
It looks amazing.
Looks like a bit like a chair. Wait, let me try it before we do the top. Oh, it's a bed! Oh, we could make Japanese beds like for apartments.
I mean, I'm a big pumpkin.
Yeah, that's a good like quadruple bed.
It's like a bunk bed.
Yeah.
But like really
4 bunk beds.
It's a bit claustrophobic bunk
Okay, sit down like it's a chair in the park.
I think we could definitely make some summer chairs.
It looks like a giant kid's swing. You have a protection in front.
Oh, we're gonna make so many cool projects. Now that we figure out like this, what is like really good for a lot of things. Plus it's extremely cheap if we plane it ourselves. And then we have a nail gun. We are unstoppable. Okay, let's now finish it up, and we're probably also gonna treat it. But yeah, let's finish up all the shelves quickly and move on with the next thing. No, that was good.
Okay.
Whoa, I barely tapped it.
This one, but I don't know if you can do it through the eye, so do it next to the eye.
It's really easy.
Yeah. Nice, no?
Ooh, that's really easy. It
Faster than screwing, no?
No, it sounds and feels much more dangerous.
Oh, push the minutes.
Much more dangerous than it actually is. And I like that you can't
press
press it.
Shoot nails everywhere.
Really easy. I like it. we have a few days later and it's all nice and dry and ready for the pumpkins, but that is gonna be on my channel, so make sure to check over there. I'm still a bit behind in videos, but I promise you by the end of the month all the videos will be out, so we can start December with Christmas spirit. So yeah, I really love it. I think it turned out beautiful for one day's project, not even one full day, like half a day of a work, and it's 10 times stronger than the ones we saw in the hardware shop. They have like tiny little wood for the sides, like half the size of this one for the framing, so I think it can definitely hold a lot of pumpkins. And once we slowly eat the pumpkins, we're gonna figure out what storage we're gonna use it for, but I think it gives a really nice look for our storage pantry room. So yeah, that's pretty much it. I hope you enjoyed this video, and we're gonna see you in the next one. We have a bit more work in here to finish up before we can move on to ripping the floors and doing the bathroom.